Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change the shop name on Etsy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in etsy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or of course guys, register to Etsy if you haven't already of course done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have categories where you can check out all of the categories. You have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you want. In the top right corner, your profile where you can check out everything about that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change the shop name on Etsy. So to change the shop name on Etsy, you need to go and follow these 7 steps, that I'll be showing you. First of all, log into your Etsy account as I already told you, and then click on Shop Manager, which is in the top right corner here. When you click on Shop Manager, you just need to go and create your own shop and get back to this video. So after you created it, click on Settings, then click Information and Appearance. After you clicked on Information and Appearance, next to your shop name, click on Change. Then enter your new shop name, and at the end, you click Save. If the name isn't available, you'll be notified that you'll have to choose another name, which is of course in the step 5. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.